What's up, guys? Back with another one. 2012 YFZ450. Man, this bike runs great. Does have a full Dasa exhaust. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because you really want to hear how this Dasa sounds on this bike. Sounds phenomenal. Do some shock wear over the shocks. Just kind of keep those fresh, keep that sand and dirt out of them. I got to put the skid plate back on under there. I think it's DWSB locks. I have some brand new, well, DWT, my bad. Got some brand new front tires coming in. As you can see, this literally still has the nipples on the tires. I mean, tires are brand new. Super clean bike. Give you guys a quick start up. And if you're watching this video, this is before I put the new front grab bar on, before I put the tires on, and before I put the obviously the back grab bar on.